Halima, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Wait, how old are you, Fall?
18.
Alright. What's your name?
Ariam.
Ariel?
Oh my lord. I'm so sorry.
Who's that?
My friend, I'm on call.
Wait, what part of Canada you from?
Ottawa.
Ottawa? She can see me?
Yeah.
How can she see me?
Cause I'm on FaceTime.
I don't skip, don't skip. Hey, look! What's your friend name?
You wanna see her?
Let me see her, let me see her.
She's such a baddie, bro.
Nah, nah,
Honestly.
I want. Wait. How you doing,
Right?
friend?
Beautiful.
She is beautiful. Where's she from?
Libya.
You Somali though, right?
No, I'm not. I'm Eritrean.
Eritrean and what? You know? Are you fully Eritrean?
Yeah.
Now you look mad beautiful though. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. I like your hair.
Thank you so much. I, what she saying?
She's like, gonna get the Amazon discount.
Nah, you can get it though.
Okay, give me it then.
Alright, for sure. Drop your snap though. I want your snap.